Have you planned correctly for your pension, or are you just hoping that it's going to be sufficient? If you're nearing retirement and you do not have sufficient money in your pension fund to live comfortably, there is a solution. You are able to start an online business and earn an extra income online in dollars here in South Africa. This will only take you 2 hours a day. And you don't need to travel to work and back. You work from your cell phone, which is your office. And yes, it will cost you money to buy your business. However, this is a risk-free business. Once you make your first sale, you have most of your money back in your account and you have no risk whatsoever. There are no monthly fees that you need to pay. You have a community of 59,000 people worldwide that are following this program at the moment. As long as you are coachable and you are prepared to put in your 2 hours every day to do all your income activities, this business can be very, very successful. If you would like to know more about my online business, where I earn dollars in South Africa in 2 hours a day, why don't you comment help below or WhatsApp me help, and I will send you a free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint to show you exactly how you can start your own online business.